Hey, what's up guys? Got this guitar done. Had to do some work on the bridge for the guy. Checked out the pickups, the neck angle, all the things. Ooh, gotta put that truss rod cover back on. Anyway, cool, huh? Going out to a local church. It's got some coolness to it for being just a, first act guitar. That's all it is. All right. Cool guitar. Cool. Anyway, thanks guys. I'll put the truss rod cover back on and send this one off to its owner. Nice, easy repair. Just getting it fixed back up. Thanks all. Bye.